Amazon's #1 best-selling false eyelashes, priced at just $8.99, boast 50,000 plus glowing reviews. But something feels off. The Made in China label seems questionable, and the seller's generic name raises red flags. How did this product climb to the top? The seller's profile reveals no verifiable address, and the company name, Beauty Plus 2023, matches known shell entities. Reverse image searches show identical product photos on obscure wholesale sites. Experts suggest such anomalies often mask sanctioned goods. Shipping records and UN reports trace these lashes to a factory in Dandong, China, a hub for North Korean trade. Reuters confirmed Chinese firms import semi-finished lashes from DPRK, repackage them, and exploit Amazon's lax vetting to reach global markets. North Korea earns $200 yearly from beauty exports, but sanctions ban direct sales. By outsourcing finishing touches to China, they bypass checks. The UN identified this very product category in 2023 sanctions reports, yet Amazon's algorithm promotes them. Interviews with defectors describe workers, mostly women, laboring 14-hour days for $10 per hour. Wages, already meager, are now often withheld post-COVID. These lashes fund Pyongyang's regime, not the workers gluing them by hand in dim factories. Amazon's third-party system prioritizes cheap, fast-moving goods over ethical checks. Sellers exploit this by obfuscating origins, using generic descriptions and fake tracking codes. Even when reported, listings often linger for months. 3 eyelash listings appear identical, but only one hides DPRK ties. Clues include vague seller bios, duplicate product photos, and prices far below competitors. UN sanctions lists and shipping databases help verify suspicions. Always check seller addresses, reverse search images, and avoid prices that seem too good to be true. Tools like the UN sanctions list or Bellingcat supply chain investigations expose hidden origins. Your cart choices have global consequences. Weeks later, the same lashes reappear under a new seller name, Glamour Touch 24. Until platforms enforce transparency, exploited workers and sanctions evasion will persist. That $8.99 bargain? Its real cost is a broken system we all unknowingly support.